How to change language on keyboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, swipe down. You will see the keyboard has appeared. From here, tap on the globe icon at the bottom left corner. You can see the language has already been changed. Now to select manually, tap and hold the globe icon. You will see a menu appear on your screen. From here you can select your preferred language. To add a new one, tap on the keyboard setting option on the menu. After that, tap on keyboard. Then once you're on this page you can manually change the language of the keyboard. You can also add new languages in your keyboard, just by tapping onto the option Add New Keyboard. Keep this in mind that whenever you are using these keyboards, the keyboard can access all the data you type. So by following these simple steps, you can easily change language on keyboard on iPhone.